Hey guys! Yes, this is another set of fancy gadgets we found all over the web. Ready to see the steampunkiest knife ever? Need something for the cosplay party? Have to choose between the laptop and the gaming console? Looking for the accessory to busy your hands? Stay till the end. We'll show you something worth every spy armory. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Let's go! What's the main difference between a cool motorcycle and a regular bike? The huge exhaust system, and the great sound it produces when riding. Now you can have one of these amazing exhaust pipes on either side of your bike, or even both sides at once. The sound effect depends on the type of motor card that you install in front of the megaphone. Basically, they're all indistinguishable from a real motorbike. The kit includes a bunch of colorful stickers that'll make the pipes look even cooler. Now you can call yourself a real biker. Take a look. It's something every gamer will appreciate. It's ergonomic keyboard with mechanical key switches, onboard programmability, full keyboard separation, and adjustable tenting accessories. It's compatible with both Mac and Windows, so cool. The device addresses all major risk factors that can lead to strain injuries, including ulnar deviation. From now on, keeping your wrist straight with up to 20 inches of keyboard separation and onboard cable storage is so easy. And with the optional accessory, you can adjust the height of your keyboard. These lifters are easy to install by simply snapping them into special slots. They allow 3 elevation levels for various use cases: 5 degrees, 10 degrees, and 15 degrees. Switching between them is actually a matter of seconds, so you're always ready for the next match. Are you into superhero stuff? Don't know what to wear to the cosplay party? You'll like this impressive gauntlet with all those tubes, LED panels, and transparent center chamber. A toggle switch will help you to choose either blue or orange color. The whole accessory is made of durable plastic and aluminum. As for the entire look, this armor looks like somebody's robbed a stormtrooper. There's only one size that'll fit everyone, which is very convenient, and don't worry about the charging, it's battery powered. There are many other things to worry about. Most of the electric heaters lack the soothing look of a classic fireplace. Not this one though. This huge 50-inch screen creates a perfect illusion of flame and burning coal. And unlike real fireplaces, this one supports several different colors. The heater is powerful enough to heat lots of rooms, delivering up to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, you can easily adjust the temperature or set various timers. There's a touch panel for all the settings as well as an included remote control. All it takes for installation is just plugging the heater into a regular outlet. When you don't need both, the heater and display, each of them can work independently, so you can enjoy the fireplace even on hot summer days. You'll be the steampunk king with this knife in your pocket. Unlike all those cheap stylized options, this is a true engineering masterpiece. Featuring an insane amount of little details, this thing is designed and handcrafted by a famous German knife maker. The mechanism inside the handle was originally used in locomotive wheels. It allows the handle to stretch every time you fold the knife. In addition, the knife is equipped with an open watch mechanism along with some LED indicators. These are connected to the special bulb filled with mercury, so when the contact closes, the lights turn on. And of course, the knife stands out with the high materials. Bronze and titanium are combined in the handle, while the harpoon blade is made from the impeccable Damascus steel. This thing will cost you a fortune, but it's definitely worth it. You'd better get this little communicator before setting out on a long journey. It allows you to stay in touch with the world, even in the most remote places. First of all, this thing is able to send and receive messages using satellite connectivity. It also tracks your location so you can instantly share it with your loved ones and friends. You might also use the dedicated mobile app to access the maps and texts on a bigger screen. In a case of any danger, just hit the SOS button to send an interactive message to the Global Monitoring Center. This thing will take care of you. Webcams are suddenly trending again, and not only among gamers. This one by Razer is able to capture 1080p video at 60 frames per second, providing the best image quality for your streams and Zoom meetings. The integrated light sensor and HDR processing allow you to get a bright and colorful image in any lighting conditions. There's more. The ultra-wide angle makes sure that nothing is cropped out of the frame. The lens is protected with damage-resistant Gorilla Glass 3, so you can carry this thing in a bag with no worries. As for the sound, there's a built-in stereo microphone. This one is for the musicians. Whichever instrument you play, this innovative ring will add a whole new dimension to your music. It allows you to control the sound and use various effects with a bunch of intuitive gestures. Now you can produce the sounds by simply waving and tilting your hand or even tapping on any surface. The ring supports 6 different gestures, including the classic vibrato. And there are 3 physical buttons on the side for additional controls. The gadget is compatible with virtually every music software, whether it's a PC or a mobile app. Naturally, it works wirelessly via Bluetooth. Plus, this thing has a companion app that allows you to map all the sounds and actions. This ring can actually enhance your workflow even if you don't play music at all. You might use it to change slides, mute your mic, or switch tracks in your playlist. The ring lasts up to 8 hours on a single charge. Here's a headset that's perfectly suited for workouts and outdoor activities. The auto-retractable earbuds, along with the foldable design, make this thing compact and easy to carry, either in the included bag or simply in your pocket. Or you might want to wear it around your neck. This headset is really lightweight. Using Bluetooth 4.1 connectivity, it can be paired with 2 devices at a time. Thanks to the built-in noise-canceling microphone, you can take phone calls right from the headset. Even the control buttons are built right into it. The package includes several ear tips of different sizes and a micro USB cable. A single charge should provide you with almost 20 hours of playtime. Here's a combo of a laptop, tablet, and game console. The one that easily fits your backpack and weighs just slightly over 21 ounces. This thing features an Intel Core i5 processor along with a 7-inch touch-sensitive Full HD screen. The full QWERTY keyboard is equipped with RGB lighting and divided into 4 customizable zones. But here's the coolest part. The laptop comes with 2 detachable controllers that turn it into a handheld console. You can even use these controllers wirelessly and play with your friend in the desktop mode. There are plenty of ports in the device that allow various input and output options. You're free to transfer video to your TV via HDMI and insert a TF card for additional storage. Moreover, there's a SIM card slot that enables 4G and even 5G connectivity. Now you can work and play from anywhere. If you've been looking for a new fidget spinner, here's a couple of really cool options. This one, for instance, stands out with a compact body and fairly unusual shape. And since it's fully made of titanium alloy, this toy is as sturdy as it gets. There are several great colors to choose from, and here's another all-metal spinner that reminds of a flying saucer. It's decorated with a bunch of red rubies that look especially cool while spinning. They create this mesmerizing strobe effect. Although this toy is pretty similar, it's got these nice, colorful patterns. Aside from that, this spinner boasts premium materials, including titanium and zirconium. It must feel really good in hand. Well, you can't actually buy this thing unless you work for the Pentagon. Let's just check it out and see whether military drones differ from the ones we use. So first, this is a spy drone. Its main features are the tiny size and perfectly silent operation. This drone weighs under 0.7 ounces, and the whole system is actually pocket-sized. The drone flies at up to 32 feet per second and lasts about half an hour. There's nothing really special about the controls except for one thing: the autopilot. You can preset a certain path and the drone will follow it using the integrated GPS. The copter uses a triple camera system that allows thermal and night vision. The image is transferred to the large 7-inch display. Despite the tiny size, this drone can work in almost any weather conditions. Even the military guys love great tech.